What's up, everybody? We're back, and today we're gonna, I don't know, do some fun stuff. Cut things, hit things with hammers. Mostly because, as you can tell, my new wheels don't fit. So if I put this on the ground, it sits on the tire and I can't even push it. Alright, so I got 18s, which was kind of first goal for this year. So what I got in the rear, these are those Carbyne Sprints. So I got 6 rears, so I can always have 18s. Be a cool kid. And then right now they got two 2540s on them, the same Zenas we've been running. Actually, I think these might be stickier than the 16s, but I'll just put more pressure in them. They got 60 psi right now, and we'll figure that out. So, but these are the 9s plus 12, and they don't fit right now. But part of it is also because I'm now running what, a degree of camber in the rear, just one. So pulled out like 3 degrees with Megan camber toe links, which is mostly why it doesn't fit. So plan for today is, anyway, so as you can tell, I'm rubbing on all of it. So I think this is actually kind of like, in my mind I want to say it's overheating the tires and that's why they're going so fast, but that's probably all a lie. So we're gonna clean it all off. And then the plan today is to just cut it. We're gonna cut it all out. It's gonna make rolling the fender easier, but hopefully it can be low and not rub as bad. I'm hoping today I only have to cut in here and none of the door jamb area, but if we have to, we'll do it. I just don't want to do it today. But you can see how much rubber is rubbing in here. It's more than I thought, so that's what we're gonna try and do today. Alright, so we got it all cut out on the inside, made a lot of room. It's not 100% cleaned up, but yeah, no one's going to see it, so I'm not too worried about it. We just want to knock the sharp edges down. But we're going to roll the fenders, try and get a little more clearance, see where it ends up, and then go and clean everything up as best we can. So yeah, now we're going to heat these up and go from there. Nope. Whoop.
Well, it did cover the side. The tire just needs to tuck in.
Could just cheat. Just add camber. but it's not low. All right, let's take a look at where we're at. So we finished one side. Huey's over there. He's making some marks so that I can kind of match my cuts. You know, to try and look like we know what we're doing. But let's look at this side. So you can tell I made a ton more room. Don't mind this. This is like the brace, and we cut it high, and then we just kind of bent it up so it's out of the way. Get all this with a flap wheel, so it's actually pretty smooth. Cut the lip out. Here we use this little fender finisher we have, and got this as flat as we can. So we'll hit it with some black, drive it, see where it's rubbing, or we'll hit it with some black and figure it out at Grange. But yeah, so this side's done. Rolled it, wheel fits. Got one piece of paper clearance, which is all you need for cool kid stuff. And we're gonna work on the other side. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done for the day. We only got to one thing, but as you can see, the wheels, at least they're under the fender now. And this side I'm really happy with. This is about the height I want. I was going for one finger, but 2 finger works. Alright, so it's gonna leave a little more work that I'm gonna get to either later today or another day, but we barely... So we got like about one business card to about here. So I just need to massage it a little more in this section, and then the other side needs a little work too, but they're under the fender, so that's all I care about right now. But yeah, so I guess there'll be a part 2 when we actually get to Huey's car and get to the front fenders.